Good morning, children. My name is Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. How are you all, children? I hope you all are doing well these days at your home. This is your course book. It's a new session NCERT English Marigold book for class 4th. So, children, today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter The Little Fir Tree. So, first of all, we will know some new words. So, I have written some new difficult words. So, first is pretty. What is the spelling of pretty, children? Pretty. Pretty. Pretty means attractive or beautiful. Next, we have needle. 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 Needle, a small thin object used for sewing. Next is leaves, part of a plant. Next, gold. 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 Gold, a precious yellow metal. Next, we have stole. 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 Stole means take someone's property without their permission. So, these are difficult words. So, please write in it your notebook and learn it. So, here reading is fun. Tick right. It is the sign of right. The correct answer. So, children, in this there are some questions and options are given and you have to put a tick mark on the correct option. Okay, so according to the first option, we have to start with question A. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but options are: a goat came along and ate them, all the leaves got wet in rain, a man stole them. So, students, according to the first option, a goat came along and ate them. Is it possible for a goat to eat the gold leaves? No. Let's see next option. All the leaves got wet in rain. So, children, can rain affect the gold leaves? No. Why? Because gold is a very precious metal. So, it is a non-reactive metal. So, rain does not have any effect on the gold leaves. Now, third option is a man stole them. Yes, because gold is very precious metal. So, a man stole it. So, the pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but a man stole them. So, the right option is this. So, we will take right. Okay, move to the next. The fir tree was sad. So, options are: because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle like leaves, because it was very short. So children, the fir tree was sad. जो फर ट्री था वो sad क्यों था? क्यों? Because it had needle like leaves. That's why it wished for wishes. Last we have the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. जो फर ट्री था वो गोल्ड लीव से हैप्पी क्यों नहीं था? वह बिकॉज द गोल्ड जो ए मैन था वो उनको चुरा रहा था. सो ए मैन स्टोल देम. सो हियर वी विल टेक राइट. ओके, नाउ शैल वी मूव ऑन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पेज नंबर 28. बाय वर्ड बिल्डिंग. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite this sentence. One has been done for you. So, children, you can see the circled words. and you have to give the opposite words to these words. For example, first one is I carry a light bag to school every day. So now the circle word is light and its opposite is heavy. So here I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Light का opposite heavy. Now next we have Reena won the race. So circle word is won. So its opposite is lost. So here we will write Reena lost the race. तो opposite word क्या है? Lost. Won का lost. Next we have I love eating vegetable. The circle word is love and opposite word will be hate. Right. So the sentence will be I hate eating vegetables. Okay, so the word is hate. Love opposite hate. Next we have this glass of milk is full. So the circle word is full. So children, when you drink milk it's turn into empty. जब आपको मम्मा शाम को दूध देती है, दूध का ग्लास देती है, तो आप उसको पी जाते हो तो वो क्या हो जाता है? एम्प्टी होता है. भरा हुआ देती है, फुल देती है और एम्प्टी कर देते हो आप लोग, है ना. तो फुल का क्या हुआ? एम्प्टी. सो वी विल राइट हियर दिस ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क इज एम्प्टी. So what is the opposite word of full? Empty. Okay. Now next is the old man is wise. Circle word is wise. So now we have to write the opposite word of wise. So wise ka foolish. So we will write the old man is foolish. So what is the opposite word? Foolish. Okay. Now move to the next. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding an or im. So children, you simply have to add an or im. So in the words given to you and make the opposite of these words. So now first is happy. So happy में हम क्या लगाएंगे? Un. So the opposite word be unhappy. Happy means खुश होना और unhappy means खुश नहीं होना, दुखी होना. Okay. So happy का unhappy. So this is how we added un and in to some words to make their opposite words. Okay. So you have to try these words to add un or im. Polite का im जोड़ेंगे, impolite. Next we have seen. Seen में क्या ऐड करेंगे? unseen. Proper में im ऐड करेंगे, improper. Lucky में un ऐड करेंगे तो it will be unlucky. पॉसिबल में इम ऐड करेंगे, क्या हो गया? इम्पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, तो इसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? अनइम्पॉर्टेंट. परफेक्ट, इम ऐड कर दिया, परफेक्ट. इम्परफेक्ट. हल्दी में अन ऐड करेंगे, अन. हेल्दी, सेफ, अनसेफ. पेशेंट, impatient. नेक्स्ट वी हैव प्योर. इसमें हम इम ऐड करेंगे, impure. So like this we added un and in to make the opposite words. Okay, shall we move on, children? Okay, now page number 29. Here this is a passage, so let's read out. Rita loved her dog Sheru. Every day Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself, but one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Sheru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. So, give the opposite words of the words in blue. So, children, you simply in this you are given a passage about a girl named Rita and her dog Sheru. Now the children question is, so in the question is the give the opposite of the words in blue. So you have to write the opposite word of the words gives in blue color. Okay, so let's start. First we have loved. So loved का क्या होगा? Opposite word hated. It is in past form, so now we will past verb. Okay, next we have go out. So go out का opposite come in. Next come. Come का opposite go. Everywhere. Everywhere का opposite nowhere. Down up. Lost का found. Nowhere everywhere. Crying laughing. And last is happy sad. So loved opposite hated. Go out come in. Come go. Everywhere nowhere. Down up. Lost found. Nowhere का opposite everywhere. Crying का opposite laughing. And happy का opposite sad. So these are our opposite words. Okay, now move to the next. Let's write. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. So here first is one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water and their friend Ra. So children, we have already discussed about the use of capital letters and punctuation mark in the video on exercise of poem, exercise work of poem Noses. So capital letters are used while writing a new sentence, which means the first letter of the first word of a new sentence will always start with capital letter. Or proper noun are also written with capital letters, and we will also put some punctuation marks in the passage wherever necessary. Okay, so let's find this question and let's read the first one and we will discuss it. Okay, so I have written its answer one Saturday afternoon. Okay, so here now here we have written one with capital letter O. It is capital O because it's the beginning of a new sentence. Okay, one Saturday afternoon. So here now again S is capital here as it is the name of a day in a week, so it is a proper noun here. Okay, so we have write S in capital. Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. So here Amarjit, Rani and India Gate are again proper noun. That is why we have written them with capital letters. Amarjit A capital, Rani R capital, India Gate I and G capital, and then full stop. There they saw ducks, water and their friend Raj. So here it is a new sentence in the passage. That's why we have written T capital, and Raj is a proper noun, so we have written it with a capital letters R capital. Okay, like this we will do it. Now next we have, oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle like leaves best, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them. So here, oh dear. Now this is an expression given by fir tree, so we have kept it in inverted commas. You can see these are inverted commas along with the exclamation mark. Said the fir tree, then full stop, I like my old needle like leaves best, for goats do not eat them and no man can steal them. So here is your question answer. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a good day.